Hi there, in this video I'm going to be showing you the bot tool which is called Add to Field. Okay, now this is a really good tool that we have, and I'm going to show you with a really simple use case of a shopping list. Okay, so in this tool what we're going to do is we're going to take an answer, so a user field, and then we're going to add it to another field, but we'll put something in the middle of it to separate out each of the responses. Okay, so it's going to ask me in this use case, tell me something you want to add to your shopping list to buy. And I'm going to say, well, I need some banana, and there we go. So I'm going to take in that response, and it's going to say, hey, bananas is on my shopping list. Okay, and would I like to add more? I'm going to say yes, I'm going to add more to my list. And then what's the next thing? I'm going to say I need some cookies, and then it is going to give me the rest of my shopping list. But now it says banana, comma, cookies. And just to prove the point and to do one last thing, I'm going to say this time that I need some milk on my shopping list, and as you can see it is going to say banana, cookies and milk. Okay, so really simple, really effective. I can think of so many different use cases for this, but a shopping list was the first and easiest thing that came to my mind. So let me show you how I set this up. So this here is the chatbot flow that I was using. As you can see, we asked what is the shopping list item. We then called a dynamic response, which was calling out to bot tools, and then we gave you the user field for the actual list. So this is what it looks like when you're setting up your tool. You're going to say, is it a custom field or a bot field? That is going to be for the field that you're adding, and that is going to be, in my use case, a shopping list item. I'm then going to have the divider, so as you saw in my use case there was the commas between each of my responses, and then I have the custom field or a bot field that I can then select. That will be the response of all of the fields added into that particular field. So very simple. Once you've set up all of these preferences, you're going to need to come to copy URL, and once you've copied the URL you need to come back over to your chatbot flow, and it's very simple. You're going to, once you've gained the response of what is the item in the shopping list in my use case, you're just going to need to make sure that you tell bot tools that I'm going to need to take that answer and put it into the shopping list. So you're just going to copy and paste over the URL. Once you've done this, you're going to need to come over to the body and then add full subscriber data. I don't copy the URL, I mean just there, that's how it looks, but I just use a bot field. It makes my life a bit easier for making the trainings and also some other use cases that you have. Now, once you've done that, everything will work. So you saw how this worked before, and I'm pretty sure lots of people are going to come up with some really amazing use cases for this, a lot more than maybe I can think of and my shopping list. But if you do have any good ideas and any other tools that you think, hey, it'd be really useful if I could have this for Manychat, and I could make my life so much more simpler, and the life of my customers and the clients and everything else, then get in touch with me. I would love to hear about it, and I would honestly love to help everybody and make as many tools as possible to make sure that we are giving the best tools possible for Manychat users. So get in touch.